Global warming is the increase of the Earth's average surface temperature because of the effects of greenhouse gases. Ones such as carbon dioxide, which we get from burning fossil fuels, will get burned and get trapped in the atmosphere, where it otherwise would just escape the Earth's atmosphere. This is known as a greenhouse effect. The reason I mention CO2 is because it's one of the most harmful greenhouse gases that we can actually do something with. Other ones like water vapor can just control themselves. Water vapor can easily condense or evaporate, where CO2 doesn't. It can last for hundreds of years. The higher amount of CO2, the higher the balance temperature will occur at with the greenhouse gases. Although temperatures fluctuate naturally over the last 50 years, the average global temperature has increased at the fastest rate in history. Human beings have actually increased the CO2 concentration in the atmosphere by about 30%. Combustion of fossil fuels for electricity generation, transportation, and heating, and a few others, result in a worldwide emission of about 22 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere each year. Scientists say that if we don't curb the emissions that cause climate change, within the next century the temperature will have gone up between 3 and 9 degrees. 9 of the warmest years on record have happened since the year 2000, and we haven't done much to stop this, even though we have many solutions for this. Just changing to a clean energy economy would create new jobs and reduce air pollution, so why are we waiting to start? One way to start is to start driving a car that creates less pollution, like a smart car or a plug-in hybrid. This cuts oil use, money, and reduces the global warming pollution. We can create green homes and buildings. New buildings should meet new energy-efficient standards that maximize energy savings. Existing homes and commercial spaces can be retrofitted, saving energy by installing energy-efficient heating, cooling, and lighting systems. An average house can save from about $750 to $1,150 a year in energy costs. If this was done to every home in the country, it would be reducing as much global warming pollution as taking 500,000 cars off the road. According to Climate Central, it is all true. Blizzards and rainstorms will occur more often and with more destruction. This will happen due to us not doing anything about global warming. If we don't start doing something about climate change, it will affect all of us and the generations after us. The summers will get hotter, the winters will get colder, and the extremes like hurricanes will be more frequent and happen in areas that it will never occur in or haven't occurred in. We see global warming happening all around us. Ice is melting in both polar ice caps and mountain glaciers. Lakes around the world are warming rapidly, and animals are changing migration patterns. We have solutions for global warming. Why aren't we starting now?